In the last 30 days, I made over $22,000 with affiliate marketing, and in this video, I want to share with you my updated Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy. This strategy helped me grow my personal Pinterest account to over 100,000 followers and got me millions of views. The best part is you can start this today with no money or experience, so let's get right into it. For those of you who don't know, affiliate marketing is basically when you promote a brand's products or services with a unique link that you're given, and if someone clicks on your link and signs up, you get paid a commission. Now let's start with step one of this strategy, which is to pick your niche. The most popular niches on Pinterest would be women's fashion, home decor, finance, fitness, travel, and there are a few other ones. My favorite niche for Pinterest is finance and making money, but recently I discovered something that's just as good, which is the self-improvement niche. If you post self-improvement content on Pinterest and just tips on how to become the best version of yourself, you'll have a ton of opportunities and you'll be able to promote a ton of different affiliate links. For example, different things you can promote in the self-improvement niche would be books, maybe health supplements, journals, planners, workout equipment, and ways to save and make money, and much more. And so I do believe this is the best niche you can start with. And if you don't want to do the self-improvement niche, that's fine. You can really do whatever you want. But once you decided on your niche, the next step is just to create your Pinterest account. I created mine, and the first thing I did was go to settings and just converted it to a business account. Make sure you do this. Then it's going to ask you to add a profile name. I just made mine Better Life Self-Improvement Tips. Basically, Better Life is just my brand name, and then Self-Improvement Tips is just so people know what my content is about. So this is how my profile looks now, and later on I'll show you how you can actually create a profile picture. Now let's move on to the next step, which is figuring out what products to promote. There are seriously so many different things you can promote in the self-improvement niche, and you can find all these products on Amazon, which means you can become an Amazon affiliate. As an Amazon affiliate, you get paid to promote different Amazon products, which is pretty cool. The best part is you can promote literally any product on Amazon. For example, this book, this couch, this plant, and obviously anything else you want. In order to become an Amazon affiliate, you have to go to the website Amazon Associates and apply on there. Now, before you do create your account, you're actually going to need a custom website to get approved. And so I'm going to show you how you can create your own website in under 3 minutes. You're going to use Shopify to create your website. So click on the link in the description of this video where it says free Shopify trial. And you can try Shopify for only $1 a month for the next 3 months. So it gives you plenty of time to experiment. Okay, so you should now be in your Shopify account. So first thing you want to do is click here on select a plan and just go with the basic plan here. And as I told you, you're only going to pay $1 a month for the next 3 months. So it gives you plenty of time to experiment and see if it actually works for you. So go ahead and just put all your payment information. I'm going to pay with PayPal. All right, now subscribe. Now click here on online store. Now click here on add business address if you haven't already done that. Okay, perfect. Once you have your business address, you can just go ahead and remove the password here and then click here on customize. Okay, basically this is going to be your website and you can add all your affiliate links here. So first thing you want to do is just go ahead and pretty much hide everything on this page. So I'm just going to do that quickly. Now click on add section. Click on multi-column. Okay, and basically in each column, you're actually going to be able to add an affiliate link. So you can add as many columns as you want here. And so anytime you have an affiliate link, you can click on a single column. Then you can pretty much change the heading here to whatever your affiliate link is. Then you could just add the link label here. So I'll just show you an example of what it could look like. Okay, so basically I just put a heading and then I said here try Rakuten where it says link label. And then if I had my Rakuten affiliate link, I could just add it here. Now obviously this doesn't look as nice, so I want to show you how you can kind of customize it. Now you want to click here on multi-column and then just go ahead and remove the button label here. And for the heading, you can actually put whatever you want. So I put self-improvement products you need. I think that looks pretty good. And now I kind of want to add some nice colors here. So click on theme settings. So I'm going to click here and you can really do whatever colors you want. So I added this background color here. I think it looks pretty good. And then for the outline button, I would change this to kind of like a blue color just so it's more highlighted because that is your affiliate link. So this is what my colors are. I think it looks good. Now go here where it says typography and you can actually change the sizes of the font here. So for the body font, I'm actually going to make it bold. Also Also, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger as well. All right, so this is how it looks now. So I'm going to go back here, and obviously I have all these columns because I plan to get a lot of affiliate links and then add them all here. But if you don't have any other affiliate links, obviously you can just remove them until you get more. And I would also just click on here, then scroll down here and then uncheck where it says show payment icons. So this is, what your website can look like. And, once you get more affiliate links, it'll look even better. So make sure you save it. Now I want you to go back, click here on settings, click on domains, then click on this link here. And I recommend changing your link name to whatever your Pinterest account is. So I'm gonna make mine Better Life. Then click add domain. Okay, now basically this link right here is going to be your website link. So go ahead and just copy the link, paste it into Google, and don't forget to add your website URL to your Pinterest bio. Now that your website is done, you can finally create an Amazon Associates account. So go on Amazon Associates, sign up, then just fill out all the required information here. Then on the next page, it's going to ask you to add your website URL. So now your Amazon Associates account is ready, and basically now you can just go on Amazon and find literally any product that you want to promote. And if you actually want to know how much you get paid in commissions, click on help, then click on commission income statement. Now here it's going to show you how much you get paid in commissions. So I'm on Amazon now, and I just want to show you how you can basically get an affiliate link for any product. So I'm going to search journal and just pick on any one here for an example. Okay, so you should have this bar on the top of your Amazon, and so what you want to do is click on text, and now it shows you your own custom affiliate link that you can start promoting. And if you need some ideas on what products to promote, I recommend just searching up on Google best self-improvement products, and you're going to see a ton of websites. I found this website that has a bunch of different product ideas, and so I'm going to use this for reference. I just came up with 7 pretty cool products to promote in the self-improvement niche, and I'm going to share them with you. First is the book Think and Grow Rich. Next is the 5-minute journal. Then this vision board kit. Next is this at-home gym setup. And lastly, this planner. Now, I'm just starting with these 5 affiliate links, but obviously you can get many more, and literally every day you can find more affiliate links on Amazon. Now, aside from Amazon, you can also find affiliate links on other websites like Impact and ClickBank. I think both of these are great if you want to find high-paying affiliate programs. And once you have a few affiliate links, the next step is to start promoting them on Pinterest. But before we dive into that, I did want to mention that if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and you actually are serious about making this your full-time income and want to learn exactly how I make over $15,000 a month from it, I do have an affiliate marketing course that you can join. I'll link it in the description of this video. Now let's move on to the next step, which is promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest. Now, in order to do this, you actually have to create your own content. For example, on my personal Pinterest account, this is an image I created and it promotes one of my affiliate links. So you have to create something similar to this to promote your own affiliate links. And honestly, it's pretty simple to create these images. I'm going to show you exactly how, but in order to do this, you do have to use Canva. And I'll link Canva in the description of this video if you want to try it for free. The first thing you want to do in your Canva account is click on create a design, then search for Pinterest pin. Click on Pinterest pin. Okay, perfect. Now you can start creating your content. Now the cool thing is there's a bunch of templates that you can actually use, which is really handy. Like I could probably use this right here if I wanted to promote a book. But anyways, for the templates, I'm just going to click on Pinterest. And the first thing I'm going to promote is the Think and Grow Rich book. So I just have to find something that could work for that. So I'm going to look through here and see what I can find. All right, so I found this template here. I kind of like it, so I'm going to use it. I'm just going to put this a little bit up like that. And you can use the text it gives you, or you can change it up. I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to write my own text here. Okay, so I changed the font to this, and I'm just going to make this a little bit larger. Okay, I think this looks pretty good. It's a great start. And basically, I would link my Think and Grow Rich affiliate link to this picture. And if I want to, I could duplicate this and maybe change it up a bit, maybe change up the text and just repost, multiple images to promote the Think and Grow Rich book. I'm also going to add another page, and I can literally just put this right here, and I can just change the heading here to pretty much the same thing as this if I wanted to. Add it there, and then also still promote the Think and Grow Rich book. So pretty much you can play around and really do whatever you want. And if you ever need some inspiration for how a pin should look, you can always come on Pinterest and look through all the images. And as you can see, majority of these are Canva templates. So pretty much everyone is using Canva. Also, I did want to show you how you can potentially create your profile picture using Canva. Exit out here, then click on design, and you can pretty much here just search logo. And as you can see, a bunch of logos are going to come up. Any kind of template here, I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to remove this and add the text Better Life. So this could literally be my profile picture, nothing crazy, but you can make yours look better if you want. So yeah, create a bunch of different images for your different affiliate links, and then when you're ready to download them and post on Pinterest, click on share, download, and then for file type, make sure you put it on PNG, and I would make the size a little bit larger, and then just click on download. I now want to show you how you can upload your image to Pinterest with your affiliate link. So click on the plus button, then pin. First, add your title. I'm going to put the best book for 2024. Next, I'm going to add my Amazon affiliate link. Then I'm going to add some tags related to books, finance, and self-improvement. Next, I'm going to pick a board, and actually I have to create one. So what I'm going to do is create one for books, and anytime I post content about books, I can just add it to the board. You can make a separate board for every category like fitness, health, finance. You get the idea. Now I'm all done and can post the image. It's honestly a pretty simple process. I recommend you post at least 3 images every single day. Obviously, the more you post, the better. And you can also post videos to your account, which is pretty cool. Now you're probably wondering, how can I actually get these videos? Well, you actually don't have to create these videos yourself. You'll be using other people's videos and just reposting them on your Pinterest. As long as you give the owner of the video credit, you're solid. So what you can do to find videos is just go on TikTok and search up what you're looking for. For example, you can just search up self-improvement, look through all those videos, and you're going to see a ton of cool content that you can use. So once you find a video you like, just go ahead and copy the link, then go to the website snaptik.app, then download the video there without a watermark so that you can post it to your Pinterest account. Now, I do want to show you how you can upload the video to your Pinterest account. It's pretty much the same as just posting an image, but I still want to show you. So click on pin, then add your title, add your website link. The reason I think you should add your website link instead of a direct affiliate link to Amazon is because you're not actually promoting something directly in the video. So it's better that people click on your website and have a variety of different links to look at. Also, make sure you credit the owner of the original video in the description. Then just add the video to a board, add some tags, and then you can go ahead and post it. I'd say aim to post at least 2 videos every day. Obviously, the more, the better. And so if you can post 3 images and 2 videos every single day, your account will start to grow slowly. But if you want your account to grow much faster, I'd say try to post at least 8 times a day. Remember that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's going to take you time to be successful. And if you do want more guidance on affiliate marketing and want to learn the strategy I follow to make over $15,000 per month, feel free to check out my affiliate marketing course linked in the description of this video. Now that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.